Welcome, I'm Brendan. Today we're going to be talking about one of the new features of PHP 7.0, which is a really cool sort of syntactic sugar that can clean your code up and make it a lot more readable and understandable, especially when you're using ternary operators. If you don't know what a ternary operator is, you can see it right here on line 3. So a ternary operator basically is a shorthand. It's already kind of syntactic sugar for an if statement. So in this line of code, we're saying the username should be either the user that was in the get variable or nobody. This first line here is equivalent to writing if is set get user then username equals get user, else username equals nobody. So as you can see, we're already taking a 5-line if statement and turning it into a 1-line, very clear statement saying if the user is set, we want to use the get user. If it's not set, we want it to be nobody because we don't know who the hell it is. What PHP 7.0 has added is this null coalescing operator, which allows us to say, without using an isSet or an empty check, either use get if it's there or nobody. It's very similar to something JavaScript has, where it's like a this or that. But it can be chained together. So if you want to do check the get user, and if that's not there, use the post user, and if that's not there, it's nobody. You can do that. This doesn't actually add any functionality to the language that didn't already exist. You could have just used a ternary with isSet. You could have just used an if statement if you wanted to be really verbose. But I think that it adds, there's something about the way that this is just so simple. You don't have to remember isSet or empty. It does it for you. It's so clear and easy, and anybody reading it is gonna just know what it should be. So that's the null coalescing operator. It's really hard to remember the name of that. I had to if you Google PHP question mark, nothing comes up about it. So try to remember null coalescing operator, and you'll be good. It's only in PHP 7.0 and above, so if you're going to be if you need something that's backwards compatible with 5.6, you got to stick to the ternary that's on line 3 here for backwards compatibility. But if you're moving forward, you're always going to be PHP 7.0. You should start using the null coalescing operator. Enjoy.